Place your arms between the lap bar and the caddy vest and pull the harness through your body until you snug. Be careful not to lean your arm through your thighs. After you load your harness, please fasten your seatbelt. While using the train, please raise your hands above your head while you check your restraints. Once again, as we approach, please raise your hands above your head so we can clear your restraint. Thank you for riding safely and enjoy your ride on the Great Moreys Center.
You know he's having me take all of it. Oh, okay, he's back. Right there, he's back.
If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Consider becoming a member for more benefits. You can also show support by buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching.